It's Robin Castleman, and I'm here today with Austin Kennedy and Kevin Shannon from the Bryant Law Center, and they're going to field some of the questions you guys have sent in. Y'all ready to get started?
Ready.
All right, here we go. The first one says, I broke my back in a car accident, and I'm not going to be able to work my job anymore since I can't lift heavy things. Because I can't find another job making what I was making, can I get compensation for lost income?
I'll take that one. When you have a wreck in Kentucky and even in other adjacent states, one of the elements of damage would be for lost wages, and various states call it different things, but in Kentucky we also call for impairment to the power to labor and earn money. So the mere fact that you can't do your old job doesn't necessarily mean you're entitled to compensation. But it probably does, and the reason I say probably is because if you've been hurt badly, you can't do your old job, depending upon a few other factors, it's likely that your ability to work in general and earn money has been impaired. So I think you would have a claim, and now we'd probably need some support from the physicians to confirm that in fact the things you used to be able to do physically or even in terms of processing in the event a person has a head injury, but we would need some help from the doctors to show that your ability to work and earn money has been impaired. But overall the answer would be yes.
Okay. All right, our next caller says, my wife suffered a neck injury when she was rear-ended. Her doctor keeps telling her there's nothing wrong, but she's not getting better. Should we get a second opinion, and should we talk to an attorney?
Well, I generally don't like to get involved as far as medical decisions because I did not go to medical school. I'm not a medical doctor or have any background really in medicine. But what I would say in that situation, we have great doctors here in Paducah. I don't know if you're treating locally, but if you wanted to have your primary care doctor refer you to, say, another specialist, either in town or in Nashville or St. Louis, I wouldn't see any harm in that, especially if you've listened to your treating doctor, you've listened to the specialist about your neck injury, nothing's really getting better, and you just want to make sure that, hey, there's got to be something there, that it's not showing up on either diagnostic testing or whatever. I don't see any harm in that whatsoever. At the same time, you could also contact a lawyer. The lawyers, I guess the medical decision is not really going to impact whether or not you get a lawyer or not, or what a lawyer will think of your case necessarily. But usually the earlier you can contact a lawyer, the better, so they can start investigating the facts, details, medical situation, everything, all about your case. And that would kind of have everything ready when you are ready to move forward with settlement negotiations or filing suit.
Okay. The next one says, our son is involved in a serious injury accident, and the insurance company keeps calling and asking him to give a recorded statement. He is still recovering from his injuries. Will this hurt our case if he doesn't do what they ask?
I'll answer that one very quickly. You have no obligation to give a statement to the other insurance. If it's your own insurance contacting your son, then you do have an obligation to provide reasonable cooperation with their investigation of the claim. So if it's your own, you probably need to give a statement when he's ready physically, and if it's the other insurance, you have no obligation to talk to them at all.
Okay. All right, I've got many more questions. You guys mind to stay with me for a bit and answer some more?
Stick around.
We'll be here.
All right, you guys come right back after this.
When severe weather strikes,